Practice and review. In this module, we learned how to use the verb ser in sentences, as well as the preposition de and its correct usage. We also studied the names and nationalities of the 10 countries in North and Central America, and learned how to say yes and no in Spanish. Now it's time to put everything into practice. Let's get started. What is the name of this country in Spanish? The country's name is Panama. What is this country's nationality? People from Panama are called Panameños. What is the name of this country? The country's name is Guatemala. What is this country's nationality? People from Guatemala are called Guatemaltecos. What is the name of this country? The country's name is Costa Rica. What is this country's nationality? People from this country are called Costarricenses. What is the name of this country? The country's name is Belize. What is this country's nationality? People from this country are called Beliceños. What is the name of this country? The country's name is El Salvador. What is this country's nationality? People from this country are called Salvadoreños. What is the name of this country? The country's name is Nicaragua. What is this country's nationality? People from this country are called Nicaragüenses. Carmen es de Panamá. Carmen is from Panama. Ella es panameña. She is Panamanian. Now you try. Oscar es de Guatemala. Él es guatemalteco. Oscar es de México. There are several ways we can answer. You can answer, no, Oscar no es de México. Él es de Guatemala. Or, no, Oscar es de Guatemala. Or, no, Oscar es guatemalteco. Carmen, ¿tú eres de Canadá? You can answer, no, yo soy panameña. Or, no, yo soy de Panamá. ¿Ellos son canadienses? We can answer, no, son americanos. Or, no, ellos son estadounidenses. ¿Ustedes son de Costa Rica? You can answer, sí, somos de Costa Rica. Or, sí, somos costarricenses. ¿Ellas son de Nicaragua? We can answer, sí, ellas son de Nicaragua. Or, sí, ellas son nicaragüenses. ¿Felipe y Claudia son hondureños? We can answer, no, ellos son de Guatemala. Or, no, ellos son guatemaltecos. ¿El lápiz es de Carlos? You can answer, sí, el lápiz es de Carlos. ¿El lápiz de Carlos es amarillo? No, el lápiz de Carlos es verde. ¿La casa roja es de Felipe? You can answer, sí, la casa roja es de Felipe. Or simply, sí, es de Felipe. ¿El libro de colores es de ustedes? You can answer, sí, el libro de colores es de nosotras. We use the word nosotras because the group is all female. ¿La casa es de ellos? Sí, la casa es de ellos. Well done! You've just completed the practice and review for lessons 11 to 14. In this module, we covered sí and no, how to answer basic yes-no questions, the verb ser, which is to be, and how to use it with origin and nationality, 10 countries of Central and North America, their nationalities, and the preposition de, which means from or of. Now it's time to reinforce what you've learned. Please complete the written tests included with this material. When you're ready to move forward, I'll see you in the next video.